Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, I am really serious because it is pretty much still dark outside and I wanted to come here and share with you guys my FabFitFun add-on selections for summer 2026. This is basically the only time that I can actually film during today, where the kids are quiet, everyone's sleeping, and I have a little bit of time just to share with you guys things that I love talking about, and that is shopping, of course. So if you want to check out all of my FabFitFun selections for this season, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thank you so much for checking out this video. I make videos on fashion, luxury, a little bit of reselling, mommy lifestyle, all the things that I enjoy getting into. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely consider checking out my videos and consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So for today, I am excited as always because it is time for the seasonal FabFitFun selections. So this video is going to talk a little bit about my add-ons that I currently have in my cart for summer 2026. As usual, I'm pretty excited to talk about these things. This video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. All the items that I talk about, I purchased totally on my own. None of these things are gifted to me. So hopefully in that way, I can provide you guys a little bit of an unbiased opinion about all of these selections. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun but want to check it out for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link in the description box below because it'll save you a little bit of money as well. And if you're not familiar, add-on sale basically allows you to add on extra products to your seasonal subscription box. And through FabFitFun, you get pretty amazing full-size products seasonally, but you can also do different random sales throughout the year, like the add-on sale and add-on products as well that get shipped directly to you. At least for the add-ons in the continental US, they get shipped with no extra charge for shipping with your seasonal subscription box. So I always love checking out what they have on the add-on sale. This season, I will say, spoiler alert, I wasn't totally impressed by the add-ons. I think there's just a lot of stuff, a lot of things repeat. There's a lot of beauty products, and let's be honest, all of us have a ton of beauty products already. So I tried to narrow it down to the ones that I really thought would be great. So I wanted to share with you guys what I decided to pick up here. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of go through some of the selections that I have. I think these are good ones. I didn't go very crazy because honestly, as you guys know, there's just tons of sales everywhere these days. So I have to kind of narrow down ones that I really want. So I'm just gonna start up here. I have in my cart this Moroccan Oil Hand Cream Amber Noir. And I thought it was a good value. It was 73% off, which is hard to pass up here. I do love Moroccan oil products. I love the sense of them. I use their body oil occasionally. I have not tried the hand cream, but I love a really good hand cream to just throw into your purse. And the Moroccan oil scent seriously is so good. So I decided to currently add this to my cart, and check this out. I haven't tried their cream products like this, so I'm excited about that one. And then I have a couple of hair products. So FabFitFun oftentimes offers products from Kish. I've seen this brand as well in many other places, and I really like their hair products. I think they provide really good value for your money. So this is an example of that. It's a really cute set of, it says mini cloud hair clips. It comes with 8 of them. You can see the beautiful colors, really perfect for the summer months that we're getting into. And it was a decent value. The problem is this is only 25% off. I don't personally think that's a great value. So I don't know, we'll see if I actually end up picking this up, but I thought it was really cute, really good little add-in kind of goodie bag or stocking stuffer type of an item. I think it would be perfect for. So I have that. And then I do have this large puffy claw clip. So when they say puffy, I don't really know what that means. I assume it just is a style and it's not actually puffy, but you know, we'll see. This one is a little bit of a better value at $6, and I just love that really chocolate brown color still, even though we're not really into fall yet, obviously. I thought it would be a really cute one. I really love using claw clips. Okay, this next item here, I almost for sure gonna pick up. It's not a screaming value, but it's 30% off. It's the Yuzu and Plum Seed Slick Stick from Briogeo. So I own a mini version of this that I got from the Sephora sale last sale, and it was one that was a limited edition. It was super cute. I talked about it in that previous video, and it had little charms that came with it. So instantly when I got it, my 11-year-old stole it from me. I don't know if it's just her or her friend group, but they are really into the slick back look. So she does ballet, so she likes doing her hair in a bun, obviously with slick back. But just going to school and going out, they really love making their hair slick and doing a ponytail. So that is gone. I don't even know where it is. I think she's probably already used it up, but I know she really likes it. So this is a larger version, so I for sure am going to get this. I probably have to get more than one because she's probably going to use this one too. This is available on a FabFitFun subscription option if you're interested. So I have a few products on subscription, which basically means you can decide when they ship it to you automatically. It's kind of an auto ship program. And I typically pick the option of shipping it with my seasonal FabFitFun box. So every season, you're gonna get the same products over and over. Of course, they charge you every time for it. But it's a nice way to lock in a little bit of a better value, but also guarantee that you never run out of your favorite products. So I may consider adding this to my subscription that I have with a couple other products as well, but really love that slick stick. Next up here, I have a brush. So this one I really have to think about because I have a lot of makeup brushes, but I really like the style of this dual-ended brush. I currently use a very similar one from It Cosmetics, which I totally love. So it has these dual-ended foundation concealer. So you kind of get a really good bang for your buck, and it doesn't take up a ton of space in your makeup bag because you have two ends here. So I really love this. I don't know much about this line though, so let me know if you tried this brand before and if you think their quality, you know, is worthwhile checking out. All right, next up is one of my all-time favorite lip glosses or lip polishes. It's from Buxom. This has definitely been around for a while, but I've been a loyal fan for many years. I own several of these already currently, and I've gone through several bottles as well already. It's just a beautiful lip gloss. It's not really sticky. It's a little sticky, but it's not really sticky. And it plumps a little, but I just love the slight tingle that it gives, especially when you're putting it on during the day or in the morning. And you just need a little bit of a pick-me-up. Honestly, it kind of does that for me. So it's a nice cooling sensation on your lips. So I thought this was a good value as well. I picked this particular color, which is a little bit of the more mauve-y color that they offered. But I think it's beautiful. I almost for sure I'm going to get this, even though I definitely don't need any more lip products. Okay, so I know some of you out there have tried this product before, so I want you to let me know what you think about it and if it's worthwhile picking it up. On FabFitFun, they often partner with LMS. So I have several subscription products from LMS currently on repeat. A couple of them have been recommendations from you. I currently use the Midnight Facial, so thank you. You know who you are out there who recommended it to me. I completely love that. I use it in the evening. It's a beautiful scent. It's a little bit of stronger, fruitier type of a scent, but I love that. I also use their marine cream. That's first how I got interested in the brand. Their day cream, they have different versions. They have a thick version, a regular version, and a sunscreen version. Tried them all. I also use their regular LMS Pro Collagen Night Cream too. So I love LMS products, but I haven't tried their eye cream, and these days I have not been getting much sleep, as you can tell. Hence, I am filming this video when it's at the crack of dawn. I just have a ton of things going on for good reason. It's really fun to be busy, but from, you know, family life to things like work. It's just crazy these days. So I need help with an eye cream. So I almost for sure I'm gonna try this one out. It's a great value, as you can see. Some of their LMS values are the best that I've seen anywhere. And you can also get this on subscription. So I'm excited to test this out, but let me know. I know some of you have tried this. Is it something that I should check out as well? And then I have a nail polish. So every season, I'm like a broken record. I talk about how I love FabFitFun nail polishes, because I really do. I love the London Town ones probably the most. I own, honestly, almost all of the colors at this point. But I saw this, and I don't know why, it just kind of caught my eye. I don't know. So I'm going to deviate from my typical London Town nail polishes, and this time maybe try one from Butter London. I have several Butter London ones already from FabFitFun. And I think the quality is okay. I can't honestly remember the last time I tried using one of them, so I'll have to test a new one out. But I kind of was drawn to this formulation. It's a lace patent shine nail lacquer. So I can't really tell from the picture, honestly, too well, but it looks like there are little sparkles. It's like a cream colored polish, which I think is just beautiful for warmer months that we're getting into. And then there's like a little bit of a glitter hint to it, as maybe you can see here. So I want to try it out. I'm just really intrigued by the color and the formulation. So I think that's beautiful. I love doing my own nails. It's really fun and relaxing for me. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I have just one final product here, which again, I probably really need to put back, but there's just something about it that just draws me to it. And it's another tote bag. I love bags. And it's from Beach Riot. I also really love Beach Riot. I own many things that FabFitFun has offered from Beach Riot. Mostly their clothing. I'm trying to think back. I definitely have some sweaters and shirts from them, which I love. I mean, I think they're just really kind of classic, but with a little bit of a fun spin to them. And that kind of describes this bag pretty well. So, I mean, it's a tote bag, but it's really preppy, as you can tell. And I just like this look. I think it's really cool for summer. Obviously, it has a tennis kind of a theme here, which I don't play, but I go out a lot on the weekends for sporting events to watch the kids' things, stuff like that, where we just need an extra tote bag. I have my fair share of tote bags, but there's just something about this. It's really cute, and I also really, really love the brand. So I'm thinking about checking this one out as well. All right, so that does it for now. Those are all my add-ons. It's not a lot, I realize, but I really need to be better about paring down some of these items because I just have a lot of beauty products around here. So, and that's honestly mostly, in my opinion, what I think FabFitFun offers are beauty products. So these are the ones that I thought were highlights for the add-on season. So please comment below. Let me know what your favorites are from the add-ons this season. And if you like shopping add-ons at all, sometimes I think about, well, maybe I probably should stop shopping add-ons because I just have a ton of stuff. But it's always fun to get a few little things extra in your box. But let me know down below what you think about the add-on sale. If you want to check out what I am customizing my summer 2026 seasonal box with, definitely stay tuned as usual for my next video that I will upload, and I will share with you guys everything that I am customizing my box with. And of course, once I get my box with my add-ons and customization in several weeks, I will do my typical mega FabFitFun unboxing. I will share with you guys all the items that I actually pick up, share with you my first impressions, mod shots, close-ups, you know, all that good stuff. So definitely stay tuned for those videos coming ahead. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.